With a comment on my last video, Horika25 challenged me with an interesting experiment. He suggested to perform the same scene, same words, this time with the same voice tone and voice speed and acting, only the soundtrack should change. Will the mood still change? I will do that today and more. The words will be spoken by me, and after that, they will be spoken by a robot.
I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad.
Hello everybody, I am Valentin from the Wise Owl channel. Last time I performed an experiment to grasp on the power of music. On the same words and same scene, I applied 5 different soundtracks, and according to you, the emotion changed every single time together with the music. In that video, my voice tone and speed change according to the music. You can watch the experiment here. Today in this video, my voice tone will remain the same, and after that, I will conduct the same experiment with the words spoken by a robot, so totally emotionless. There will be 3 new and different movie soundtracks. Will the mood still change? I want to hear from you at the end of the video in the comment section below. So let's do this. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next.
I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next.